Hi guys, I hope you guys are good. Happy New Year. It's in story time. It's just after 12. So I was dating this guy name. I think we weekend food that day. Can't really remember. So see Sambi Sepalito, we spent the day there together, Abonji eating and whatever. Then we came back. So we came back early, but just around 3-4ish. And then I think we came back around 3. So he drops me off Mina at his house. Basically, I drove to Gateway. Yena ahamba ekubangani bakhe because wayefuna ukuyobuka ibhola. No problem. So I did a little bit of shopping, basically ngithenge nokudla, and then I go back to his place. Mangibuyela endlini yakhe ngifike ngihlale sliding door sivuliwe, like isikhala esincane, yabo la from here to here mhlawumbe kwakuvuleka isikhala esingako kwi-sliding door. Ngihlale ngivula i-TV, ngiphaka ukudla, ngihlale because ngangigqoke nje igown yabo. Ngihlale yazi kukhanya i-TV kuphela la endlini, everything else kumnyama yabo. Ngizwe ngento nje ithi ba emnyango kwi-sliding door. Ngithuke ngimemeze, ngingedwa la endlini, akekho yena ohambile. Ngithuke ngimemeze, and something was like, lock at the sliding door now. Ngigijime ngivala i-sliding door, ngikhiye ngivale ne-curtain because I don't know what's going on. Ngangitshela ukuthi mhlambe inkawu or whatever, or somebody threw something from emgwaqeni to our balcony, right? Ayibo, ngixoxa ukuthi kwenzakalani, ngikhanyise mangithi ngiyalunguza isikhova esingakanani, but mangikhanyisa siyabaleka isikhova, siyacasha ngaphansi. Mangicisha siyabuya sishaya i-sliding door kaka yabo kanje, like ngathi it's trying to get in yabo, ngathi siyahwaya siyashaya. Awema ngingasabemeze, ngabaleke indlu yonke. I tried to go wonke ama-rooms, ngafike ngavala amawindi, ngavala nje amawindi because I was like mhlambe lento le izovela igqume ifuna ukuyongena e-bathroom noma ekamereni or whatever. I closed all the windows, all the doors. Ngithatha ifoni ngimfonela, I'm panicking, I'm screaming. Ngiyakhala lana ukuthi kunesikhova sibhizi siyashaya. Mangeke ngakhanyisa nje siyacasha singena phakathi kwezitulo because we had there were chairs and izinto lezi finisher phandle at the balcony. Hayibo, sangihlukumeza nje isikhova sangihlukumeza. Mangicima nje siyabuya siyashaya, mangeke ngakhanyisa singene ngaphansi kwezitulo lapha. So ngimfanele kumfana ngimtshela ukuthi hayibo, lalela kunesikhova kanje lana, and when are you coming back? Ngiyasaba. Well, as you know, he's gonna come back. I must make a video of it. That's okay. Ngavula because ngase ngivulile vele. Ngivule i-curtain because ngangilokhu ngilunguza. Ngathi ngiyidrop i-call, ngipressa i-camera. Ngithi ngizopressa i-camera savele saphuma ngaphansi kwesitulo, ngathi sasengilalele futhi sekuyakhanya, ngithi ngikhanyisile. Saphuma ngaphansi kwesitulo sahlala phezulu kwetafula, sangibuka ngqo emehlweni isikhova, sangibuka ngqo emehlweni. Emva lokho sasuka sahamba, but leyo nto leyo it happened in a couple of seconds. Leyo ukuthi ngithi ngenza i-video ngimtshengisa, immediately ngithi okay, ngidrop i-call, sagibela phezulu kwetafula, sangibuka, sandiza, sahamba. Asiphindanga sabuya. Into engangiyiphenika, I couldn't even eat because ngase ngithwile, ngase ngisaba. I was just sitting a sitting room the whole time. Ngibuzeni ukuthi wabuya ngoba isikhathi ubhuti wayibuyela ngo-1. Wazibuyela ngo-1 and wayenganandaba. Ngavuka nje kusenathi ngicela ukugoduka, ngicela nje ukugoduka. Ngaze ngifele emzini yabantu, ngazi nokuthi bengizothi ekhaya bengephi. Ngathi bandla ngicela ukugoduka, ngahamba. Angiyazi mina into enje futhi nje wangibuza nje kuphela, futhi nakhona he was not like very worried or interested to find out are you okay after sekwenzekile leyo nto leyo. Ngibuza ukuthi alright, sengizobuya njalo no. Wazibuyela nje ngesikhathi ayifuna ukubuya ngaso. Ngathi nje yabona ke ngiyahamba. Isukile so story time sami. I don't know what it meant. I don't know why sageja imbobo, because I mean ugeja kanjani imbobo, isikhova sindize ebusuku. So wayigeja kodwa imbobo, sayigeja imbobo, wageja washaya iglass. Ukuthi sasithunywa umuntu noma it was just a coincidence, I have no idea, but kwenzeka and angifisa ngisaba kabi nje isikhova, ngiyasaba nje. Thanks. Mhlampe iy'nkinga zami zaqala lapho, angazi.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Nangisesicoca story sokuthi kwendekani athi mfana ngekho o indole bengiyoyimemeta, indole bengiyoyiquleka o angadi, cause why kuthi esikhova endlini yakho, it's giving uthwele ngesikhova nje, kuyathusa nje. Nangokuthi you don't care, awukho phinza ubuya nango-1 ngibe ngikutshelile ukuthi kunesikhova la, it's giving guilt, shame. But it's also possible ukuthi Nkosi yami sikhova nje lebe sididele nje, kube i-coincidence kokuthi kanageli ukhona sekwavele kwabukeka ngale ngendlela. But you guys, kuyathusa nangokuthi umuntu wakhona makabuya akanandzaba, akakhombisi kuba worried as if yasathi lesikhova vele ukuthi sakhe. Eyibo, ngalesinye isikhathi shem Nkosi yami siyofela emakhaya abantu. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Mina nawe siyohlangana kulenye lenye video. This is the end of my video. I'm signing out. Goodbye.